Welcome to Motor Match Bolton. Today we have the stunning Fiat 500 S edition that does come fresh in stock, along with a vibrant red exterior. It's sure to turn heads with a lovely manual transmission. As a 2018 edition, it has covered 13,727 miles, along with your 1.2 petrol engine. It is the ideal nippy upgrade, with top features including your LED daytime running headlights and 15-inch satin graphite alloys, and rear sensors to assist with parking. You do also have a small boot area, ideal for all your day-to-day items. And stepping into your rear, this is a two-door vehicle, so you can simply pull your front seat forward, exposing a very comfortable interior finish. Stepping into your front, you will find your multifunctional steering wheel for driver convenience alongside your central touch display, and complemented by your cream accents throughout. This vehicle does come with a stylish finish with your embroidered 500S badging, and to assist on those longer trips, you do have access to your cruise control and speed limiter features just behind your steering wheel, with further audio controls just in front. Moving across into your central touch display screen, you do have a whole range of radio stations to choose from, as it does work off your DAB, FM and AM, so a wide selection to choose from, especially on those longer trips. Of course, you do have your Bluetooth connection if you do wish to listen to your own preferred audio, or of course to make hands-free safe phone calls. Moving across, you do also have all your general settings and trip information. Following this, you do have your main climate controls for a preferred temperature, along with your two electronic window controls just below, followed by two cup holders and a small storage pocket.